In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the appearance of Obsidian, a popular note-taking app. Whether you're new to Obsidian or just looking to refresh your workspace, I'll guide you through the steps to customize the look and feel of the app to suit your style. First things first, make sure you have the Obsidian app installed on your computer. Once you have it set up, go ahead and open the app. If you're not familiar with the interface yet, don't worry. It's quite user-friendly and we'll walk through everything step by step. Once you have Obsidian open, you'll want to locate the Settings menu. This is typically found at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. It usually looks like a gear icon, which is a standard symbol for settings in many applications. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to proceed. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a variety of options available to you. For today, our focus is on changing the appearance, so find and click on the Appearance option. This will open up a new set of options, specifically related to how Obsidian looks. Within the appearance settings, you'll discover a range of customization features. You can change the color scheme, adjust accent color themes, and even modify the title bar and ribbon. These options allow you to make Obsidian truly your own. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on the base color scheme. To adjust the base color scheme, take a look at the options available. You'll notice there's an option labeled Adapt to System. This feature is particularly handy because it allows Obsidian to match the color scheme of your operating system. If your system is set to a dark mode, Obsidian will follow suit. Similarly, if you prefer a light mode, it will adapt accordingly. You have a few choices here. You can opt for a light theme, a dark theme, or choose the Adapt to System option, which will automatically adjust based on your system settings. Simply select the option that best fits your preference. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the appearance of Obsidian. This not only makes your workspace more aesthetically pleasing, but also enhances your overall user experience. Feel free to experiment with the different themes and settings until you find the perfect combination that suits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.